Looks like the tide's going out. Supposedly high tide at 1. And it's a little after. They can't make up their mind on this avalanche sign. Here we are, going Wild Ness at the wild, beautiful beachside estates of Tweaker Del Mar. And our beautiful cohort. What is he? He's a cohort today. What the hell? George. Right, George? Right. But yeah, clear skies, sun's blasting me, mid 40s. It's supposed to dip down into the mid lower 30s tonight. So we'll be doing our solo, or maybe not solo, we don't know yet. Overnight camping, no Walmart gear. And we got a little roll in the waves out there. I'm gonna try and do something with this thing and straighten it out. Didn't bring my work gloves, so I'm gonna have to use one of my good pair. There we go. Well, now I gotta do something with this stupid fire pit. That could be the culprit. Down there by the parking lot. That's new. I don't see no movement though. Hey bird. I was gonna pack some sandwiches, but I didn't. I spaced it out. Did find a can of sardines in my bag, so let's see what we got in here. Looks like tuna. And there's a ramen. Oh, I got some leakage here. What's going down? Oh, well, that blows sugar everywhere. Okay. What we got here? It's got a dent, but it's not puffy or nothing. Afrittata tuna. That's bogus. No telling if I'm in focus or not. You can only hope. Well, shoot. Made me some coffee. had that can of ramen or can of tuna and the ramen. Not sure how old it is. Year or two, maybe 3. Hopefully it sits okay. Yeah, kind of nice, mid-30s. Um, and it's not raining or snaining. And I don't know, northern lights don't look too promising. This moon is super bright, super full. Blinding bright. Fire.